First, select Gmail and add a new campaign. Type your campaign name and account count, then click Next. You can import proxy here. We recommend that one account with one proxy. You can import username here or input manually. All data can be empty, software will randomly choose one to use if needed. You can also input manually or import from file. You need to type 0, 1, 2, and click Add to choose the phone service you want to use. 5SIM and SMS PVA both are available, you can choose what you prefer. We'll just show you how to use 5SIM in this video. SMS PVA is similar to 5SIM. Skip if you chose 5SIM, just click Next until phone country. Read the data description below and add a value. Just click Next until 5SIM table. Open 5sim.net, log in and click your account in the upper right corner. Then click Get a PVA, drag the page to the bottom. The content below is what you need. Copy your PVA, then paste it in the table. After that, click Finish. Click Start to run the program. You can run twice or more by changing the first option. If you need to run the program at a certain time, try the second option. The third option can set interval time to loop run the program if necessary. We'll show you how to use loop run in this video. You can click Settings to set thread count and then click Start. Keep it running and wait a moment. Five of 30 failed because of wrong phone numbers. We got 25 accounts this time at last. You can click Open Account File to show registration results. Enjoy your new Gmail account.